all our thanks on this very auspicious
dignitary, our chief
University to kindly give
edition of this Confederation of
any student my job say that magi chanaba thabak ama phangnanaba madugi ashala biragadi sayda lakpiba resa tawbiraga laiba company singsiga dum interaction tawbiraga ma se matik chaba candidate am oiragadi soidana ki khudong chaba sei phangani hena khalle aduna manipur gi thabak maruina government ki sector da changmada akhoi khudong chadaba lehuraba singdudi masigi private sector gi corporate world gi environment sida amuktang khong thangjalaga masagi akhoi gi senthok lambi ama leinanabagi lambi masung madugi khudong chabadu job fair sidagi lominasi haina thamjage.
University administration, what can be a happier moment than such moments when our students are given opportunities to have interactions with representatives of various companies for making a future for themselves. I am extremely grateful to all the companies who are here. They have agreed to come to a very border state, and such are the need of the hour. These are the openings through which the talented and aspiring young students can be given opportunities to bring about a very quick process of economic modernization in the state. We have a large pool of talents in the state. In my university, we have as many as 119, 20 affiliated colleges from various, specializing in various areas, nursing, paramedical courses, pharmaceutical courses, physical education and sports science, in dance and music, in foreign languages, in skill development, in management, in computer engineering,